In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur a Huddle background in Slack. If you ever hop into a quick huddle from a busy space and want a cleaner, more private look, Slack's built-in blur effect makes that easy. I'll guide you from a fresh browser so you can follow along smoothly. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search box, type Slack, then click the official Slack website from the results. If you already use the desktop app, that works the same way. I'm using the web here so everything is easy to see on screen. Once Slack loads and you're signed in, locate the Huddles control in the sidebar or at the bottom of a channel or direct message. Huddles are Slack's lightweight audio and video rooms for quick syncs. Click the Huddles option to get started. You'll see a control to start a huddle. Select Start Huddle and confirm if you're prompted again. This opens a room where you can enable your camera and apply background effects. For a clearer workspace, open the Huddle in a separate window. Use the pop-out control so the Huddle moves to its own window. This makes the next settings easier to find and gives you more room to work. Now look at the Huddle toolbar for the camera button. Next to the camera icon, there's a small arrow or drop-down. Click that drop-down to open your video settings. In the menu that appears, choose Video Background. This is where Slack keeps virtual backgrounds and effects. From the background choices, click Blur. The blur effect softens everything behind you while keeping you in focus, reducing distractions and protecting privacy. Your preview should update immediately. If your camera is off, turn it on to see the change. You can return to the same menu anytime to switch backgrounds or turn blur off later. Slack will usually remember your last choice for future huddles. If you don't see the blur option, a few quick checks can help. Make sure your browser or the desktop app has permission to use the camera. Background effects may be limited on older devices, so updating Slack and your graphics drivers can help. Also, close any other app that might be using your camera. Only one app can control it at a time. Good lighting and sitting a bit forward from your background also improve the blur effect's quality. And that's it. You opened Slack, started a huddle, popped it into a new window, opened the camera drop-down, selected Video Background, and chose Blur. Your background is now tastefully out of focus, and you're ready for a distraction-free conversation.